We just received some shocking news from Kings Island about something huge that could be coming in the near future. As many of us know, Vortex was a aerodynamics looping roller coaster that once existed at Kings Island. And in late 2019, the ride was demolished, and ever since, that plot of land has sat vacant. And after all of these years, we have our first official look as to what could be replacing Vortex. Reddit user DroidLife has revealed this survey that Kings Island has just sent out to its pass holders. And this survey reveals a concept of a potential Vortex replacement, and this thing is insane. Kings Island has said this regarding their concept. Quote, one of the most revered wooden coasters in the world, the Beast, which still holds the Guinness Book of World Records as the longest wooden coaster in the world with 7,361 feet of track, will get beastified, extending its 4-minute, 10-second runaway ride experience to an astounding 10,000 feet of track, solidifying it as the longest wooden roller coaster of all time. This is not what anyone expected, I'm pretty sure. At least I did not expect this at all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Beast 2.0. They're taking one of their record-breaking roller coasters and pushing it even further. Riders will still experience the classic experience with its record-breaking drops, multiple tunnels, and finale moment of the covered double helix, with a new addition of another 2,640 feet of track that sends them out and back down the tallest drop of any wooden roller coaster, 184 feet, reaching a top speed of 74 miles per hour, allowing the Beast to reclaim its title as the longest and fastest wooden roller coaster in the world. In that statement alone, there is so much to talk about. So first of all, they're taking one of their record-breaking roller coasters and not only pushing the record that they currently have, but giving it even more records. Like with this extension that they're doing, you could almost just take that and make it a completely separate wooden roller coaster. Like, this is crazy. Of course, we do have to keep in mind that this is just a concept and they haven't announced that they are officially building it. There is a chance that they will not go through with this, but I would be very interested to see it happen. So I want to talk about this ride a little bit. So here are the concept images that we have so far of the ride. And this thing looks crazy. So let's kind of analyze what we're looking at here. So obviously, the Beast would be getting a third lift hill. 3 lift hills on one coaster, that's kind of crazy. And this lift hill is absolutely massive. Then there's a turnaround into a pretty steep drop. Like with how long those trains are as well, I would assume that you would be getting some pretty good airtime in the back. And here's another thing that I noticed. These supports appear to be steel. So that would officially make Beast a hybrid coaster. But again, because it has that wooden track, it will still have that wooden coaster feel. Now, something that is not addressed that I'm sure we're all wondering is what manufacturer could be doing this? And well, there's only 2 obvious options. The only 2 manufacturers that are like actually making wooden coasters nowadays. We have Gravity Group and we have GCI. And my best guess would be Gravity Group, because this coaster would most likely be made with their newly engineered pre-cut track, which has shown to be very successful and very reliable. And because of that, if you're making a wooden coaster, you might as well just go with them. But with the way this layout is designed, a lot about this is speaking Gravity Group to me. It would also make sense because Gravity Group did work on the Beast, and it does have that pre-cut track on it. And a lot of theme parks seem to be pretty happy with them. So yeah, there's not much else to say about this ride. I'm very interested to see the future of this concept, see where it goes. I really like the idea that they have right now. This took me by complete surprise and I knew I had to make a video about it. So yeah, what are your guys' thoughts on Beast 2.0? And that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.